started working at the diner. It serves as a reminder to count your blessings, cause this town ain't fair. They'll put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, that's the truth. How they coming for you. Yeah, yeah,
While I'm gazing through my window tonight, I'm remembering the things I have done in my life. Oh, making one or two turns that weren't really what I planned. Sometimes the choices I made have been hard to understand. Better get ready, I'm ready. Better get ready, I'm ready. Ready to do all that I gotta do to aim high. So I look at my reflection instead. Oh, I see all them dreams running round in my head. I sold my soul enough to dreams of someone else. Do you believe when I tell you the dream has become who I am? Better get ready,
Hi guys, this is Irina. I'll post the tutorial just for a little bit to share some good news. You guys are the best, most supportive audience I could ever wish for. This is why I came up with a discount code for my amazing YouTube community. Use the 24 friends code and you'll get a 20% exclusive discount on all of my brush packs. Well, except the sparkle brush set cause that one is already free. Why am I so excited about my brushes? First of all, they are really good. Pretty much everything you need to create beautiful realistic illustrations in a matter of minutes. You'll find plenty of tutorials here on my YouTube channel to learn how you can draw all of these illustrations even if you're a Procreate beginner. I promise, these are the Procreate brushes you'll actually love to use.
So wrapped around my finger, have a hard time finding home when we're together. Dressed up, I stare at you and wonder if you had my hands to lead, would you have gone there? I heard it's not the ordinary days that make this go away. I'm looking at
But you're always on my